It is now 2022 and we want to take a look at Debian. Debian is a Linux distribution composed of free and open source software developed by the community-supported Debian project, which was established by Ian Murdoch on August 16, 1993. The Debian stable branch is most popular edition for personal computers and servers. It is also the basis for many other distributions, most notably Ubuntu, Mint, Kali, PopOS, Ubuntu, and so on. Debian is one of the oldest operating systems based on the Linux kernel. Debian distribution codenames are based on the names of characters from the Toy Story films. At the time Debian made its first release with a codename Debian 1.1 Buzz Lightyear.
To infinity and beyond!
The project leader, Bruce Perens, at the time was working at Pixar. 1.2 version was named Rex, 1.3 Bo, 2.0 Ham, 2.1 Slink, 2.2 Potato, 3.0 Woody, 3.1 Sarge, 4.0 Edge, 5.0 Lenny, 6.0 Squeeze, 7 Wheezy, 8 Jesse, 9 Stretch, and finally, Debian's unstable trunk is named after Sid, a character who regularly destroyed his toys. Debian offers CD and DVD images specifically built for XFCE, GNOME, KDE, Mate, Cinnamon, LXDE, and LXQT. Mate is officially supported, while Cinnamon support was added with Debian 8.0 Jesty. Less common window managers such as Enlightenment, OpenBox, Fluxbox, IceWM Window Maker, and others are available. Although it's 2022, but Debian's website, debian.org, has an old user experience, so it's hard for users to find what they want. To download, you can follow the path in the video or use the link in the description box.
Perfect.
Install, you have to make a bootable USB. If you're using Windows, you can do it using Rufus. Here we move on with graphical install. should make partitions which you want to install the distro on it. This part you should choose what desktop you want to use. Here we used Cinnamon desktop. Distro is ready to use. Thank you for watching and see you in the next one.